brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth with mint toothpaste.
How's your mouth?
My mouth feels clean and fresh.
Take a shower?
I take a short shower.
How's the water?
The warm water feels amazing on my skin.
Wash your hair?
Yes, I wash my hair with shampoo.
Then rinse?
I rinse the soap and feel relaxed.
Dry off? I dry my body with a soft towel. Put on clothes? I put on clean clothes and feel ready. Overall, how do you feel? I feel calm and ready for a new day. Go to the kitchen? Yes, I go to the kitchen. Turn on the light? Yes, I turn on the light. Drink water? I drink a glass of water. How is it?